Hello and welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into harnessing the power of ChatGPT for business data analysis. I'm your host, Larry G. Every business today gathers vast amounts of data, but the challenge lies in extracting actionable insights. Using ChatGPT for business data analysis can be highly effective if you focus on specific types of data that can benefit from natural language processing capabilities and AI-driven insights. Customer feedback, sales data, marketing campaign data, operational data, financial data, HR data, web analytics data. Here, we explore how artificial intelligence, particularly ChatGPT, can transform raw data into strategic insights, helping your business grow and adapt in real time.
Imagine the complexities involved in managing HR data from multiple sources. Assessing employee satisfaction, turnover rates, and performance metrics can be overwhelming and time-consuming. ChatGPT can streamline this process by analyzing HR data to provide comprehensive summaries, detect patterns in employee behavior, and offer predictive insights. This can transform your HR data into a strategic asset for making informed decisions about workforce management. Today, we're diving into the human resources data set available on Kaggle. This extensive dataset encompasses a range of HR metrics such as employee satisfaction, performance evaluations, and turnover rates, alongside demographic and employment details. With this dataset, we can train ChatGPT to identify trends, predict employee turnover, and even suggest measures to enhance employee engagement and performance. It becomes a powerful tool for HR professionals looking to optimize workforce management in their organizations. We integrate ChatGPT with a Telegram chatbot for real-time interaction and use Google Sheets for data storage. This setup allows us to analyze data continuously and interactively. Watch as we ask our ChatGPT-powered bot various questions about the dataset. Hi Larry, give me the description of the dataset. Columns, features, 1. EMP ID, unique identifier for each employee. 2. EMP status ID, identifier indicating the employment status, 1 active, 2 leave of absence, 3 terminated, etc. 3. Department ID, identifier for the department where the employee works. 4. Perf score ID, performance score identifier. 5. Salary, annual salary of the employee. 6. Position ID, identifier for the job position. 7. Position, job title, position of the employee. 8. State of residence of the employee, abbreviation. 9. DOB, date of birth of the employee. 10. Sex, gender of the employee, MF. 11. Marital desk, marital status, e.g., single, married, divorced. 12. Citizen desk, citizenship status, e.g., U.S. citizen, eligible non-citizen. 13. Hispanic Latino, indicates if the employee identifies as Hispanic or Latino, yes, no. 14. Race desk, racial identification of the employee, e.g., white, black or African American. 15. Date of hire, date when the employee was hired. 16. Date of termination, date when the employee was terminated, if applicable. 17. Term reason, reason for termination, if applicable. 18. Employment status, current employment status, active, voluntarily terminated, etc. 19. Department, full name of the department where the employee works. 20. Manager name, name of the employee's immediate manager. 21. Recruitment source, source from which the employee was recruited, e.g., LinkedIn, job fair. 22. Performance score, performance evaluation results. 23. Engagement survey, score from employee engagement surveys. 24. EMP satisfaction, overall employee satisfaction score. 25. Special projects count, number of special projects the employee has participated in. 26. Last performance review _ date, date of the last performance review. 27. Absences, number of absences recorded for the employee. The dataset contains a mix of numerical and categorical data types. Employee records can show various employment statuses and demographic information. It includes performance metrics and reasons for termination, which can be useful for HR analysis, employee retention strategies, and diversity studies. Data can be used to derive insights on overall employee performance, diversity in hiring, and attrition rates. This dataset could be useful for HR analytics, diversity and inclusion assessments, performance management, and workforce planning. To derive insights from the provided HR dataset, we can analyze various parameters. Here are some key insights based on the dataset. To derive insights from the provided HR dataset, we can analyze various parameters. Here are some key insights based on the dataset. 1. Employee distribution by gender. The dataset includes both males and females, with a few instances of non-binary or multiracial identities. 2. Employee status. Determine the count of active versus terminated employees. 3. Performance analysis. Performance score distribution. 4. Attrition and retention. Turnover rate. 5. Salary insights. Analyze average salaries based on positions, departments, and employee status, active versus terminated. 6. Diversity metrics. Analyze the diversity in terms of race and ethnicity within the company. 7. Age analysis. Calculate the average age of employees and categorize them by age groups. 8. Job titles and departments. Determine the distribution of employees across various job titles and departments. 9. Absences and engagement. Investigate the correlation between absences and performance scores or employee satisfaction. 10. Special projects. Analyze the impact of involvement in special projects on job performance and employee satisfaction. A specific focus can be given to the most notable findings based on the analyses. For instance, if a significant proportion of terminated employees left due to unhappiness, steps could be taken to improve workplace culture. If a department has high turnover rates, it might warrant investigation and resolution. Prepare visualizations, graphs, charts, to effectively communicate these insights. Use findings to inform strategies for talent management, engagement programs, diversity initiatives, and retention plans. Please let me know if you want a specific analysis or visualization done with the dataset. Give me salary insights. Based on the salary data provided, here are some insights and observations regarding employee salaries. Salary distribution analysis. 1. Salary range. The minimum salary recorded is $46,430. The maximum salary recorded is $250,000. 2. Position types. Salaries vary significantly by position. 3. Gender pay gap. Preliminary observation suggests female employees hold a significant number of production technician roles, but the highest salaries in this dataset, like IT director and CIO roles, are predominantly held by male employees. Performance ratings and salary. Employees with performance ratings labeled as exceeds generally command higher salaries compared to those rated fully meets or needs improvement. Employment status. A number of employees, particularly in production roles, have voluntarily terminated the positions. Departmental differences. Certain departments, such as IT, tend to offer higher salaries due to the specialized skill set required, experience and salary correlation. Employees' salaries appear to correlate with their years of experience reflected in the positions held and their performance ratings. Recommendations for further analysis. 1. Statistical analysis. 2. Benchmark against industry data. 3. Gender and diversity studies. 4. Employee satisfaction metrics. 5. Training and development. This overview provides a foundational look into the dataset and suggests areas where deeper exploration could yield actionable insights for organizational improvement. Give me performance analysis. The performance analysis of employees has been presented in a structured format based on various key attributes. Below is a summarized analysis highlighting important insights drawn from the data. Performance summary. General overview. Total employees analyzed, 372 employment status, performance ratings. Performance score distribution, exceeds expectations, 32% fully meets expectations, 58% needs improvement, 8% PIP, performance improvement plan, 3% salary overview. Salary range, average salary calculation, employee demographics, gender ratio, ethnic diversity. The workforce displays a mix of ethnic backgrounds including white, black or African American, Asian, Hispanic, Latino, and others. Marital status, majority of employees are either married or single, with a smaller representation of divorced and widowed individuals. Key findings. 1. High performance correlation with longer tenure. 2. Impact of absences. 3. Recruitment source effectiveness. 4. Engagement and satisfaction scores. 5. Diverse experiences. Recommendations. Focus on retention strategies, performance improvement plans, diversity and inclusion initiatives. This analysis provides a glimpse into the overall employee performance within the organization and highlights areas for potential improvement and enhanced strategic focus. Based on the employee data provided, here are some potential action items for you to consider. 1. Retention strategies for high-performing employees. Identify and analyze the top performers. 2. Exit interviews analysis. Investigate the reasons for voluntary terminations, particularly those related to unhappy or more money. 3. Performance improvement plans, PIPs. Focus on employees under PIPs, particularly for those with low satisfaction scores. Regular check-ins and additional support might help improve their engagement and performance. 4. Training and development initiatives. Implement training programs aimed at improving performance levels of those who have received needs improvement ratings. 5. Compensation review. Review salary data to ensure competitive pay structures, especially for roles that have a high turnover rate or where employees have indicated dissatisfaction due to monetary reasons. 6. Diversity and inclusion efforts. Address any discrepancies in employee satisfaction by analyzing demographics and satisfaction scores. 7. Engagement surveys. Regularly conduct employee engagement surveys to track satisfaction and gain insights into employee needs and preferences. 8. Career advancement opportunities. Investigate potential career advancement paths for employees who have expressed interest in moving up or have been consistently meeting performance standards. 9. Work-life balance initiatives. Develop policies that promote work-life balance, particularly for roles with high pressure or workload. 10. Department-specific strategies. Evaluate the performance and engagement levels in specific departments. By utilizing the insights gained from these items, you can create a more engaged workforce while effectively addressing employee turnover and satisfaction concerns. Today, we've only scratched the surface of what's possible with AI in business data analysis. If you enjoyed this introduction and are eager to see more practical implementations of ChatGPT in the business world, please like and subscribe for more insightful episodes. If you're intrigued by the potential of having a ChatGPT-powered chatbot analyze your business data in a custom setup, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact me, and let's transform data into decisions.